Hi, welcome to Virgo. In this video, we will lead you to navigate our platform so you can enjoy trading crypto with ease. Let's get started by downloading our app from the App Store or Google Play. Search for Virgo or simply visit our website for the direct link. Register by filling in the blanks. Don't forget to put in the promo code if you have one. Next, we come to Know Your Client, KYC, an identity authentication process which is a regulatory requirement for the safety of our platform and financial transactions. We will ask you specific questions to evaluate your eligibility. Make sure you follow our instructions in positioning the documents as required. If you require further assistance, you can reach out to our support department. Now that you're through, you can start to use the many features on our platform. Choose to add funds immediately to your account through different payment methods, or you can choose to bring in your cryptocurrency from your wallet. Want to check out how the market is doing first? Go to the Market tab and discover the 60+ coins that are available to you. Select a particular coin and get a full view of the market details. Seeing a coin that you like? Select from the 3 buttons below to buy, sell, or set up recurring buy, which allows you to buy according to your schedule without setting it up again, giving you a peace of mind knowing that you are investing steadily and conveniently. Selecting the trade button at the center will bring you to our quick trade section where you see the top pairings. Or if you're an experienced trader, you can even choose from our list of order functions, which provide you with great convenience for advanced trading instructions. Virgo also offers one of the most generous referral programs in the market. Simply go into the referral section and choose to either share your unique referral link or QR code with friends and family. You will earn immediately when they are verified, funded, and start trading. Now that you are all set, trade it your way on Virgo.